Setting up PayID with Bendigo Bank allows you to receive payments using an easy-to-remember identifier linked to your bank account. Here's how to set up PayID with Bendigo Bank. Log into online banking. Access Bendigo Bank's online banking portal using your credentials. Navigate to PayID settings. Look for options related to PayID or payments in the menu. Choose the option to set up a new PayID. Select your identifier. Choose an identifier for your PayID. Options typically include your mobile number, email address, or ABN. Link your bank account. Follow the prompts to link your chosen identifier to your Bendigo bank account. You may need to confirm your identity and accept terms and conditions. Verification. Bendigo Bank may require verification of your PayID setup. This could involve a verification code sent to your mobile number or email address. Start using PayID. Once setup is complete and verified, share your PayID with others for them to make payments to you easily using their own banking apps or online banking.